Hey, it's MJ. I've got a little story for you today, something real, fun, and full of everyday English. You'll hear natural words and expressions people actually use. So go ahead, grab your favorite drink, cozy up, and chill with me. Repeat after me if you feel like it, and don't forget to jot down any cool new words. Let's jump in, and as always, learn it, love it, and live it with MJ. So here's how I start my mornings now, and it's nothing like how I used to begin my day. First thing, I do something a little unusual. Instead of grabbing my phone or jumping straight into emails, I step outside just for 1 minute. Yep, just 60 seconds. I breathe in the fresh morning air and take a quiet moment to be still. I look up at the sky, listen to the birds, feel the sun on my skin. It's such a small habit, but honestly, it's made a huge difference. I call it my nature minute, and it's become my favorite part of the day. You don't have to meditate for an hour or do anything fancy. Just a moment outside can totally recharge you. Recharge means to get your energy back, like charging your phone, but for your body and mind. Now, let's talk about breakfast. This might sound funny, but I've totally changed the way I do it. Before I just grab a quick bite, half a bowl of cereal or a piece of toast, while scrolling through my phone. I barely even tasted what I was eating. But now, breakfast has become a ritual for me. A ritual is something meaningful you do regularly, like a personal tradition. I take my time. I'm not rushing. I'm not checking emails or watching videos. I just make something simple and actually enjoy it. No distractions, just me and the moment. It's such a small change, but it helps me feel calm and present. When you're present, it means your mind is right here in the moment, not worrying about the past or future. And honestly, when my morning starts like this, the whole day just feels more productive. Productive means you get a lot done and your time feels useful. All right, here's one of my favorite new habits. I started going on what I call mini adventures. And no, I didn't buy a plane ticket or fly to another country. I just started exploring my own city. To explore means to go out and discover something new, like you're on a little mission. I'll check out a new cafe I've never been to, or wander into a quiet park I've passed 100 times but never stopped in. Sometimes I even find a cozy little bookstore or a street I didn't know existed. The goal? To feel like a tourist in my own town. A tourist is someone visiting and discovering a new place, even if it's close to home. And every time I do this, I feel this little spark, this excitement like I'm discovering something special. To discover something means to find it for the first time, like a hidden gem. It's not about luxury or expensive travel. It's about being curious and stepping outside of your usual routine. So, maybe today's the day you take yourself on a mini adventure. Okay, now this one might sound a little weird at first, but I've started talking to strangers. Not in a creepy way, just small, friendly conversations. Like when I'm at my favorite cafe, I'll say something like, "Hey, how's your day going?" Or, "Ooh, I love that book. What are you reading?" It's simple, but it makes a difference. When something makes a difference, it means it has a positive impact, even if it's small. I used to feel shy about it, but now I see how much people appreciate a little kindness. To appreciate something means to feel thankful for it. to value it. And honestly, it makes my day better too. People are just waiting to connect, and sometimes all it takes is a smile or a few kind words to make someone's day. It's become this tiny habit that adds so much joy to my life. Give it a try. You might be surprised how good it feels. Now, this next part, oh, it's my absolute favorite. It's all about celebrating small wins. And when I say small, I mean tiny. Like, I finished writing a blog post, boom, dance party. Cleaned the kitchen, posted a new video, yup, another mini celebration. A celebration doesn't have to be big. It just means you're honoring something good, even the little things. I used to wait for big milestones to feel proud of myself, but now I make the moment myself. To make the moment means to create a positive experience, something fun or meaningful, even if no one else notices. And honestly, it feels amazing. It's like I'm giving myself permission to feel happy about progress, not just perfection. Progress means moving forward, even slowly. And perfection? Well, it's overrated anyway. One of the biggest changes I've made lately, I've started protecting my energy. When we talk about protecting your energy, we mean being careful about what we let affect our mood, thoughts, and peace of mind. But now, I know better. I realized if I don't protect my energy, I burn out fast. To burn out means to feel completely exhausted, mentally, emotionally, or physically, because of stress or too much pressure. So I started being more mindful of what I allow into my space. Being mindful means paying attention on purpose, being intentional with your actions and choices. If someone's always negative or gossiping, I'll politely change the subject or take a step back. It doesn't mean I ignore real problems. It just means I choose what I give my energy to. My growth, my peace, my people, that's where I want my energy to go. And here's something else I've learned. The more we compare ourselves to others, the more we disconnect from who we really are. To disconnect means to feel distant from yourself, your goals, or your truth. It's like losing your center. I used to scroll and think, why don't I have that? Or what's wrong with me? But you know what? That's not real. It's just a highlight reel. A highlight reel is just the best parts, like the pretty snapshots of someone's life, not the full story. Now, I check in with myself. I remind myself of everything I have done, everything I am becoming. And I protect my energy, not by building walls, but by choosing what truly matters. Evenings used to be, well, kinda chaotic. I'd scroll for hours, jump from one thing to another, and then suddenly realize it was midnight and I felt empty. Chaotic means messy, busy, or without calm, and empty here means emotionally drained or unsatisfied. But now I've made a small but powerful change. I slow down. I reflect. Sometimes I journal, just a few lines about what went well, what made me smile, or even what was hard. To journal means to write about your thoughts or experiences, usually to understand yourself better. Other nights, I just sit quietly. No phone, no distractions, just me and the moment. I'll listen to soft music, do a little doodle, or stretch for a few minutes. Nothing complicated, just intentional. Intentional means done on purpose, with care and meaning, even if it's something small. And honestly, this tiny routine has become the highlight of my day. It helps me let go of the noise and remember what really matters. Life doesn't have to be perfect to feel beautiful. It just has to feel real. All right, friends, that's it for today's story. I hope you picked up some cool new words and felt a little more confident with your English. Remember, it's all about learning a little every day and having fun while doing it. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, share it with someone who's learning too, and don't forget to subscribe. And hey, learn it, love it, and live it with MJ. See you next time.